we're gonna start with Neon, also sponsoring this event. So give a little bit of love to Yuri is gonna talk about Neon.
Guys, nice to see you. Hello, I'm Yuri, CPO at Neon. So I have been with Neon for almost 2 years, from the beginning of Neon. And question to you guys, who knows what is Neon EVM? Okay, you know. Who thinks that Neon EVM is L2 on Solana? Please, raise your hands. L2 on Solana. Neon is L2 on Solana. Is it true or not? Okay. Who believes that Neon is a bridge between Ethereum and Solana? Please raise your hands. Okay. Nothing of it is correct. So no bridge, no L2s. I used to explain Neon usually as Neon is a smart contract on Solana, but usually no one understands what does it mean. I would suggest a more simple explanation. Imagine your Ethereum application or Ethereum user and you like to step into Solana, or you'd like to speak with Solana. Neon, like a translator, synchronous translator, can translate your Ethereum language into Solana language. So if you're a wallet or application, you send Ethereum transactions, and these transactions packed by Neon proxy from Ethereum to Solana transactions pass to Neon EVM smart contracts on Solana, which unwraps it and execute, and technically it executes EVM bytecode inside of Solana EVM. It's called Solana Virtual Machine, SVM. So technically it means you execute or interpret bytecode, EVM bytecode inside of Solana. And it leads to, we are using security of Solana, we don't have our security level, we have storage of Solana, transaction executions inside of Solana. So we are, I'm joking, like we are layer 1.2 on Solana, or layer 1.5, as you wish. From developer's perspective, you have the same infrastructure or the same development tools as usually every EVM has. For instance, you have IDEs, the frameworks like Hot, Truffle, Foundry, everything is compatible with Neon EVM. And also you can use, of course, Solidity, you can use Viper, and simple EVM bytecode. You can just compile and use pure bytecode instead of this. This picture shows for us and make wrong impression that Neon is a bridge. Because due to this picture, everyone thinks that Neon is a bridge between Solana and Ethereum, but it was like metaphor. We are connecting two worlds, but in fact we are not a bridge. So as far as we know Neon EVM basic concepts, I guess you understand what Neon is doing, but main question, why should you use Neon? Why does it make sense? Question here, like you can take all benefits from compatibility with Ethereum, all familiar tools, simple tools, and take all benefits from Solana. Especially, it's very cheap. For instance, you can start from less than 0.1 cents per transaction. We have the whole, let's say, infrastructure or ecosystem for every application. We have wallets, classical MetaMask. We are compatible with, of course, Wallet Connect, and we are compatible with Ledger. I'm going to tell about it a little further. We have multisig. It's a fork of Gnosis Safe, ex-Gnosis Safe, now it's called just Safe. We have two bridges. Indexers, we have the Graph, standard de facto for Ethereum, and Covalent, and Block Explorers. I guess you know Block Scout, and Neon Scan, it's specific for Neon Block Explorer. So we have both of them. From the Oracle side, we have Chainlink, EPIS, and PIS on Solana. And from Neon EVM, you can read all price feeds from this Chainlink and PIS price feeds. So we are fully compatible with EVM world. Coming back to assets transferring, bridges, and etc. So we have two kinds of bridges. First, for Solana users, and second, we are going to have for all EVM chains. here I'd like to highlight this part. So basically, it's a main feature of Neon EVM. We can work natively with Solana native tokens SPL standard. What does it mean? You can take, let's say, Sol or native USDC or USDT on Solana, just transfer it without no minting, no burning, just transfer from Solana to Neon EVM, to account that belongs to Neon EVM, and use it like usual ERC20 inside of Solana. It will be SPL token, but it will have interface of ERC20 for all programs inside of Neon EVM. So using this feature, we have Neon Pass, just transferring tool that transfer all your assets from Solana to Neon EVM without wrapping, minting, and issues with depegging assets with usual. Usually we have with all bridges. For other EVM users, we announced our partnership with the bridge, and we are going to have it, I hope, in 1 month, maybe in 2 months. Are you familiar with the bridge? Okay. Okay. No marketing for the bridge, no. So it was our current state of Neon EVM, and now I'm going to share some future plans or milestones from our roadmap. We are going to release soon payments in several tokens. Now, user can pay only in Neon tokens for any transfer or any transactions. But very soon, we will have payments at the beginning in 4 tokens, Sol, USDT, USDC that native on Solana, and Neon itself. But next DAO will decide on other tokens to accept as a payments. In Ethereum world, we have standard called account abstractions, EIP something, for something. It's in the draft state, as I understand, on Ethereum. In Neon, we will soon have almost the same. Next plans is to have full interoperability with Solana. What does it mean? On technical level, from any Ethereum application, you can call smart contracts on Solana and vice versa. From product perspective or from, let's say, business perspective, you can build very complex DeFi yield strategies that will take benefits from protocols and liquidity from both sides, Solana and Neon EVM. So technically, it's much more complicated than just payments in any tokens, but we will have it. I hope next year we'll have it. The last but not least, Ledger integration. We are fully compatible with Ledger embedded application. We tested it. It works now. And currently, we are testing and integrating with Ledger Live. So it will be available soon, too. Thank you very much. And if you'd like to, if you have projects and you think these projects can benefit from Neon speed, transaction cost, parallel execution, let's discuss. And thank you for your attention. This is it.
Do you have plans to bring SVM to Ethereum in some way? Like the other folks that did, or?
Like a rollup for Ethereum and SVM. We don't have such plans, but we have Eclipse maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, so Eclipse, they're building a rollup for Ethereum based on SVM, and they're deploying an EVM, Neon EVM, inside of this Eclipse to provide EVM compatibility inside of it. Okay. They are working on it, and we are in partnership with them currently. Okay. It sounds like OP stack, but Neon stack.
Yeah.
We have it, yeah.
What's the use of the token?
There are 2 usages for Neon token. First, it's payment for transactions, it's a gas token, and second, it's a DAO token. You will be able to vote for proposals. So DAO will be launched till the end of this year, the first stage of DAO, and you can vote with Neon tokens. And your vote weight will be proportional to amount of Neons you have.
Can we stake? Is there staking?
No, currently not, because we don't have our consensus layer. All security layer is on Solana. But would you like to stake Neon? We have some plans, I can share it after.